What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at the semiconductors ETF 3 times, right? So this ticker symbol is going to be SOXL. This is mainly for one of the Discord members, Peter. I know he loves trading this. I know this guy's in with deep pockets all the time, absolutely killing the game, learning every step of the way. Guy's doing fantastic. So with that being said, we're going to take a look at SOXL. Fantastic move. Ever since he was in, I believe, $15. So currently trading at $18.20, up another 7% on the day, $1.25. So what we are looking at here is the daily time frame. Guys, remember, every time I'm doing these technical analysis breakdowns, I'm always going to start with the daily time frame. Why? Because I want to look at the overall big macro picture, right? It does me no good to sit here and do technical analysis after the market is closed on a 5-minute time frame. Does me no good, does you no good, does nobody no good. What we're looking at, daily time frame. Now, why I like this is we are coming off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days consecutive pushing higher, with the exception of one red day where we back tested the 20-day moving average and then quickly broke that on the next day and had a nice 2-day run up into the 50-day moving average. One thing that I do want to point out, if anyone is in here off the floor, and the floor being between $10 and $15, definitely start taking some profits. Okay, you do not want to take all your profits because this is the first close over the 50-day moving average. If you want some reference as to what a stock or ETF can do over its 50-day moving average, take a look at the triple Qs, which is big tech. Triple Qs ETF first close over the 50-day moving average. Not only did we break it, but we closed at 298 and made a nice run up all the way to 303. Take a look at the SPY. Also, first close yesterday over the 50-day moving average. Not only did it go from 390 295 all the way up to 396. So when we start looking at the SOXL, which is the ETF for the semiconductors are absolutely fantastic. We all obviously know Nancy Pelosi and her husband made a big buy in NVIDIA. We know that there's a bill about to be passed by the government on semiconductors. So first close over the 50-day moving average. We'll keep this trade very simple. If SOXL does take out $18.54, that is a long buy. Whether you're going to, however you buy it, right? It doesn't really matter what you're playing when it comes to SOXL. Over $18.54 is a buy. Now, where potentially can this stop, right? Because we always want to know where potentially this can stop. We do have some supply here at around $20, okay? And we also got our macro supply at $22.55. Now, if this does start to take out that 1859, that does not mean that it's going to go from 1859 to 2250 in one day. It's possible. Anything is possible, but I would not look for it to make that move in one day. What we could also do here is off the open, depending on how we open, whether we open red or green, this can take this out, this 1854, and then put in a new high. Once it does that, I can see it consolidating sideways and then start to roll over. We need to give more days to pass to allow this 5-day moving average to slowly catch up here. What we want to see is this 5-day moving average cross over this 50 to give us a little bit stronger level of support. So don't be concerned if it puts in a new high and then pulls back. We don't want to get out of our long trade until we lose the 50-day moving average on a daily candles close. As soon as this SOXL or the semis ETF loses the 50-day moving average on a close, that's when we exit our trade. Okay, as long as we're over the 50-day moving average, we're going to hold our trade, and then we're going to allow time for some of these moving averages to catch up. So that's what we're looking at here. 1854 to the top side. You can squeeze another $1 or $2 out of this play potentially. So just kind of keep that in mind. But right now, I mean, it's not a short to me. So even if this does put in a high, I would not look to short it. Even if it does lose the 50, we've got Bollinger Band support here at 1740. We've got a rising 5-day at 1589, which is also going to be creeping higher. So it doesn't mean, oh, we lost a 50, start shorting it. We're going to have to actually get down below the 10-day moving average, 1464, before it turns into an actual short. So, just kind of sit on your hands if that pullback does happen. But, it definitely looks good to the top side. I think we do have some more room to run, at least to $20 first stop, right? At least try to test $20. Definitely keep that in mind. You want to take some profits there. Hope you guys all enjoy the video. If you guys do enjoy this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to trade with me and the gang, definitely join the Discord. That link is down in the description box, and I'll see you guys all next time.